Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic updates on Windows 11. So to do this, simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and simple type in run. You can also access run by right clicking the Windows icon as well. And here you'll find run. You can access it from here. Now go ahead and type in services.msc and hit an enter. Here you want to go ahead and expand this. Here you want to go ahead and click on one of the options here and just press double key on your keyboard. This is going to take you to where you'll find all those services with W, and you want to go ahead and scroll down and look for the Windows updates. Here you can find it. Right click on this and click on properties. Change the startup type to disabled. Then click on the recovery tab and change the first failure to take no action. Then go back to the General tab and click on Stop. Then click on Apply and OK. And from now, you have automatic updates disabled on your Windows PC. Very easy and very simple.